David, another big part of the announcement was something called the Agentic Studio. We know Agentic with the word AI, but how does this studio play into this Sitecore AI solution?
So I think it really weaves through everything. Like we saw our stream and the brand kit kind of be the start of it, some of the agentic tooling, but I think agents really change everything, right? It comes with about 21 out of the box agents, and I got access to everything today. I was actually playing with it. I set up a recurring go to the internet and find out what Sitecore partner offers are coming out. And every day when I log in, I'm going to see what that's bringing back, right? And that's just the start of it. There are other agents that will help with SEO and GEO. There are other agents that help with research. They also have this concept of a smart brief. So you can like you used to be able to go to stream and ask it to create a brief. It'll go do it, but then you couldn't do anything with it. Now it creates a brief that becomes kind of the connective tissue across projects and across activities that agents can have access to and be able to go do it. So as excited as I am about Agentic Studio today and kind of how some of the flows out of the box, and I have to spend more time on it, I'm really excited on getting access to actually create my own. That's coming later. But I think that's going to become a really powerful way to really look at your marketing operations processes and figure out how can I take some of the friction out? How can I automate some of the things that normally would take a number of people to do? They even have like one. They're going to have it around kind of pre-publishing, like making sure all your pre-published checks before you go live with something, it can go through an AI-based review, which I think is just great and something that is sorely needed.